guys, Xbox here, and check it out, another quick product review, this time on the SunnyFire range extenders. Now, this fits on a lot of the different remotes, and I'm going to pop up the remote here for the DJI Spark that I tested it on, down in the lower left-hand corner. But these fit right over the actual antennas themselves, and I'll transition to that. But, you know, these claim to give you a 2x to 3x boost in range. And, you know, with the DJI Spark, normally with the remote control, you can go half mile plus. I, again, keep it, you know, not too far just in case the thing goes down. But again, you know, these work great if you have direct line of sight, or at least nothing obstructioning, right? If, you know, trees, mountains, things like that. If you're way on a mountaintop and you can fly this thing out, perfect, because you have nothing blocking you. But from what I've noticed, again, I mean, I get a solid signal with my DJI Spark within 300 to 400 yards. If you put these on, you really kind of have to be pointed in the direction of the Spark to really get the maximum range, right? Because it really directs that individual signal. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these things on there so you can kind of see what they look like, and then go from there. All right, you can see here, when it spins back around, they kind of look like that. They just slide over the top. To be honest, again, you know, it will work with a lot of the different DJI controllers that have the very similar kind of look, especially the Mavic Air or the Mavic Pro. Basically has the same controller, just a little bit different. But yeah, you know, it claims to give you that 2x performance. Now, I did notice a kind of a signal increase when you are, again, line of sight, directly, you know, pointing in the general direction of the DJI Spark. I did notice a difference. But again, I never really went beyond almost a mile to this thing because I just never wanted to go down and try and look for it in the woods. But again, I think it's worth it. I definitely think it's a cool upgrade. But if you're just going to fly it around the park and things like that, I say just stick with, you know, just stick with the actual normal base antenna or your phone itself, and I think you should be fine. I also did notice a decrease, especially when you're in buildings, because since this is kind of directional, you really don't get that kind of bouncing off the different angles of the buildings that you would get with a normal kind of cloverleaf antenna. But anyways, I highly recommend it. They're super cheap, super cool. Definitely get it. And if you haven't, go check out my other reviews for the DJI Spark itself, as well as some sample footage. Thanks again, guys.